shillings, you get this 3-bedroom mansion located here at Mugutha 14. My name is Isaac, and today I'm gonna be your house tour because we're gonna be touring this 3-bedroom mansion here at 114 Mugutha in Ruiru, where this mansion is in a 50 by 100 piece of land. And today we're gonna be taking you through this mansion to know what does it entail and what can you get with just 13.5 million Kenya shillings. So the first thing you notice from here is that you have your own personal gate. Yeah, you had me right. You have your own personal gate, and from here you can have an ample parking for your car. So you can park up to 3 to 4 cars here in this parking area. We have these cabros already installed for you because mbona tukweke parking bila cabros? Yeah, we have to install some cabros for you. So that's from here outside. If you check and look at this house, you can see the beauty of the colors in this house. It has this beautiful type of colors. But from there, not only the colors, but you have your own personal garden. That's what you can see from outside the house. So if you can follow me, you can now have to enter the house to know what does this house entail, what is included in this 3-bedroom house located in Ruiru, Mugutha. When you enter this living area, so we have this beautifully installed lighting. So what we say nyumba ni mataa ama ni mwangaza. This beautifully installed lighting, as my director can show you, this house, this living area has different type of lighting areas, and of course the fireplace. Yeah, fireplace. So in case you have a logo, you can have this already installed fireplace for you. And of course, for in more and more lighting, we have these big windows already here, so that in case you want to put your curtain here and the sheer already here, you have this beautiful already made for you big windows, so that you can put your curtains here and the sheer. So this is, remember, this is a 3-bedroom mansion here. Let's say you cannot call it like a bungalow, like kind of bungalow, because it has already the ground floor where all the bedrooms are already installed here. Type of lighting. The lighting from the living area and this area are different. But of course, we have some bigger rooms over here also. So next to this beautiful dining, we have the kitchen. So we have an open kitchen here, which have already inbuilt oven here. We have an already inbuilt oven here. As you can see, it's already here inbuilt. We have some drawers here for you to store anything you want to do. We have inbuilt kitchen here. So in case you want to cook anything, don't worry. You don't have to buy some extra. Maybe you want to buy oven. We have already installed oven, installed microwave. So it's a bigger kitchen. It has different things. It has different things. So if you want to cook anything, just know it's already installed here. Of course, next to the dining, we have this beautifully made lighting. So the thing about this house or this villa or this mansion, or we can call this a bungalow, kind of bungalow, it has this beautiful lighting. So in the kitchen, different lighting. When you go there to the dining area, different lighting. When you go to the living area, you have different lighting. So from the kitchen, we have, when you have your chef or you have this one, so we have this beautifully already installed pantry. So this pantry, you can have it, you can store your things here in case you want to store anything in this pantry. It's already installed for you. So in case kuna kitu unaekelea tu hapa. No, so unaekelea hapa for this beautiful pantry. So flash lights. Let's see if it works. Okay, come on this side. Yeah, yes, there you go. Lights is working. Yeah, this pantry is beautifully made for you, for your kitchen business. So on from the kitchen, if you want to exit here, we have an exit to the back area. Where now here in this back area, you can find yourself to the backyard where you can do your laundry, and of course you can put your lines here in this area. You can do washing, laundry here, then you can rinse your clothes and then hang them here in the hanging area or the lights area. This is where you can hang your clothes. So this thing is already done for you. You just come, you can either remove it or people to use it. Also, you can also put it like that. Simple to install. As simple as 1, 2, 3. So far we have done the living area, have done the dining, and have done the kitchen, the pantry, and of course the back side, the backyard. So from there, let's go now to the other bedrooms or to the bedrooms and see what the bedrooms has for us. Go straight here on the bedrooms. Before we reach the bedrooms, of course, beautiful, more and more lighting. So these are different kind of lighting done here. After the food is ready, they work well and it sound more payment. So of course you can see these rooms have beautiful colors because they have just plain white. They don't have so much mixture of colors. So let's go to one of the bedrooms. We can start on this side. We can use these wardrobes here. They're already done for you. They are beautifully installed for you, the wardrobes. And of course, you have the whole very safe washrooms over here. So if you want to use the washroom, you can use the washroom. And of course, the next thing to the washroom is where you can do your bathing. So beautiful installed. These beautifully installed mirrors for you to use when you're here. So this is one of the bedrooms. Let's go to the next bedroom. So because it's a 3-bedroom house, the next bedroom is over here. So let's see what is already installed for us in this bedroom. Of course, the washroom is over here. Then we have these beautiful big windows for this beautiful second bedroom here. It's already installed wardrobes here and leaf wardrobes which are installed for you over here. So what have we done about this house? 2 bedrooms so far. Let's go to the master bedroom. Remember, this is a 3-bedroom house here in MUGUTHA, going for just 13.5 million Kenya shillings. So what can you get yourself with 13 million Kenya shillings? This beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow. You can call it bungalow, you can call it house, you can call it the way you want to call it. But all I know is just costing you less to about 13.5 million Kenya shillings. So in this master bedroom, it's done for you. You can put a 6x6, let's say bed. Yeah, it's called bed. So you have a 6x6 bed space. Also, you can put a couch. Also, if you can see over here, you have already done for you these big wardrobes for you. And of course, you have a mirror here. So if you are a lover of mirrors, and if you want this mirror, you can maybe touch over there, you're going to have some lighting. You see? The way I like it. We have done it in a more digital kind of texture for you. So, what have we learned about this 3-bedroom house? It has some beautiful and more amenities than maybe other houses, with the other houses that we have visited so far. So that's the beautiful mirror. We have now another mirror over here. If I can see, then this mirror has some lighting under it. So just press this button. Either you can press it to either turn it on or turn it off. This is one of the bedrooms. So you can see the way the mirrors are going to be installed for you. And of course, here we have the washroom and place where you can have closet shower. Of course, this ground floor doesn't have a rooftop, but in the rooftop we have some SQ. Remember, this is a 3-bedroom house with an SQ already, which is fitted in the rooftop. The rooftop has an SQ, so in case you have your nanny, you have someone who works for you or helps you do your day-to-day life, you can go to the and stay in the school. And of course, you have some other beautiful chandelier. You can go in a chandelier, you can go into a lighting system, but you can see it's a beautifully made chandelier or beautifully made lighting. So, what do you think about this new 30.5 million mansion or bungalow? So, let's go to the rooftop. Follow me. If you have your guests over here and they want to use maybe the washroom, we have an outside washroom over here. So my director can follow me here so we can show you the outside washroom. So from here you can have a washroom over here, and also you have access to the backyard. So from there, the washroom and access to the backyard. From these stairs, you now come from where the living space is, the bed space are. There we go to the rooftop. And of course, if you can see from behind me, you can see the electric fence which are already installed for you. So it means security iko gangari, security is tight. Yeah. So It's even rated danger electrical fence. So you have this beautifully place for your electrical fence for these beautiful houses for you. Remember, these houses are going just for 13.5 million shillings. And of course, from this area, you can see we are now at the rooftop of this beautiful house. Of course, if you use the stairs, you get this rooftop, and of course, you can go to the SQ. SQ is mainly used by the people who work, do day-to-day businesses, day-to-day work for the people at the house. So this rooftop you can use for many things. You can maybe install some chairs over here so that you can do some business here. You can talk to someone. You can even have some sun basket over here because it's yours, and you can do it just for 13.5 million, and you can have it. So this is the SQ that comes to this house. Every house has its own SQ. Here they have the SQ, they have their own wardrobes over here. So if someone is working for you, they can be able to use this kind of wardrobes. This is their wardrobe, and of course, if someone is eating, they must use the washrooms. So the washrooms are already here. So if you want to use the washroom, you can use it over here. So my director can show you as you going up for this story. Remember, for just 13.5 million Kenya shillings, you get this beautifully made house for you. Remember, there are just 3 of them, and only they are going at 13.5 million. So, chelewa, utapata mwanasi wako. That was me for today. My name is Isaac, and this is Heaven's Sphere. Till next time, bye bye.